In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to download a Tableau project database. Whether you're new to Tableau or just need a quick refresher, this guide will help you effortlessly retrieve your data so you can get back to analyzing and visualizing in no time. First, let's start by heading over to tableau.com. This is the main hub for all things Tableau, where you can access your projects and manage your data. Make sure you're logged in with your account details. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by the Tableau interface, which might seem a bit overwhelming if you're new, but don't worry, we'll take it step by step. Next, you'll want to look for the Recent section. This is where Tableau conveniently lists the projects and workbooks you've accessed or modified recently. It's a great feature for quickly jumping back into your work without having to search through folders or directories. Find the project database you want to download from this list. Simply click on it to open and access its contents. Once you have your project open, direct your attention to the top of the interface. Here, you'll see a series of icons that give you different options for interacting with your data. The icon we're interested in is the download icon. It usually looks like a downward arrow or a disk, depending on your version of Tableau. Clicking this icon is your gateway to exporting your data from Tableau to your local machine. After clicking the download icon, a menu will appear with several options for exporting your data. For our purposes, you'll want to select Tableau Workbook. This option ensures that your entire project database, complete with all its visualizations, dashboards, and data connections, is saved as a Tableau package file. This file format is incredibly useful for sharing your work with others or for backing up your project. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded your Tableau project database onto your computer. This simple process allows you to have a local copy of your work, which is perfect for offline analysis or sharing with colleagues who might not have access to the same Tableau server as you. Remember, keeping backups of your work is always a good practice to prevent any data loss. If you have any more questions about using Tableau or if you run into issues, Tableau's community forums and support pages are excellent resources. They can provide additional tips, tricks, and troubleshooting advice. I hope this guide was helpful and you feel more confident in managing your Tableau projects. Thanks for watching and happy data analyzing.